welcome to the Hub of Knowledge Study Style.
Good evening guys, I hope you all are fine. So today we are going to do MCQ based on African continent and this is part 2. As you know that we have already done part 1 and I must tell you that these MCQ are based on the videos which we have already done. And guys, if you have not seen the videos then you can go to my playlist or I will provide you the link in my description box, because to answer these MCQs it is very important to see those videos. So guys, let's start with question number 1. Consider the following statement about Suez Canal. It connects port of Suez to the port of Porto Novo. It is very much wrong, because I have already told you that Suez Canal is connected from Port Said to Gulf of Suez. It connects Mediterranean Sea to Red Sea. It is right. So answer would be only 2. Right guys? See this map. This is Port Said and this is Gulf of Suez. This is Suez Canal. Right? And this Suez Canal is connecting Mediterranean Sea to Red Sea. Red Sea lies over here to the south of Gulf of Suez. Right? So keep these things in your mind. Question number 2. Arrange the following from north to south. Lake Timsha, Great Bitter, Lake Little Bitter. I told you that these are the lakes of Suez Canal and this sequence is already right. 1, 2, 3 is the correct answer. See this map guys. This is Suez Canal, right? And this is Lake Timsha, which is first, and Great Bitter Lake second, and third one is Little Bitter Lake third. So the answer would be 1, 2, 3. Now question number 3. Kenya share boundary with which of the following countries? South Sudan, Mozambique, Ethiopia and Rwanda. Let us see. First of all, Kenya share boundary with South Sudan and Ethiopia only. So answer would be 1 and 3. Let us see in the map. See guys, this is the country Kenya and it is touching boundary with Somalia, Ethiopia, South Sudan, Uganda and Tanzania. And see here only 2 options, South Sudan and Ethiopia are there, which are resembling to this. So Mozambique would be cut and Rwanda will also be the wrong option. So the answer would be 1 and 3. C would be the correct option. Question number 4. In Africa, Great Rift Valley passes through which of the following countries? See guys, I have already told you that Great Rift Valley of Africa lies in 2 continents, that is Asia and Africa. And see, it is asking about African country. So Somalia, Kenya, Zimbabwe and Mozambique. And guys, I also told you that this Great Rift Valley passes through 11 countries. So you must remember those countries which I have already told you in my previous video when we were reading the this African continent, right? So guys, Kenya would be the country and Mozambique would be the country. From Somalia, Great Rift Valley do not pass, and Zimbabwe also. So the correct option would be 2 and 4. Here options are not given. I'm so sorry. The option would be C. Only 2 and 4 would be the correct option. See guys, these are the countries from where Rift Valley passes: Israel, Lebanon, Syria, Jordan, Ethiopia, Kenya, Tanzania, Malawi, Zambia, Mozambique, Uganda, Rwanda, Burundi, Yemen and Somalia. So you have to learn these countries because you have to just cram it. There is no other option. Question number 5. Which of the following is correct about Great Rift Valley? Again the question about this. It extends through Red Sea. Yeah, it is right. It extends southwards into the Gulf of Aden. Yeah, it is also right. So the correct option would be C. C would be the correct option, both. See guys, this orange part is Rift Valley and you can see this is Red Sea. So it is passing through Red Sea and this is Gulf of Aden. Means in both the parts here Great Rift Valley lies. So the answer would be both. See again, you can see it extends through Red Sea, right? And it extends southwards into Gulf of Aden, which is also right. Question number 6. Consider the following statement about Tanzania country. I told you it is an important country of Africa. It is surrounded by Indian Ocean to the east and Zaire to the west. Yeah, it is very much right. It also shares boundary with Rwanda, Burundi, Kenya, Uganda, Malawi, Mozambique and Zambia. Yes, this is also the correct option. Answer would be both. C would be the correct option. See guys, this is the country Tanzania and this is Indian Ocean. So you can see in the east here lie Indian Ocean and to the west here lies Zaire. This is Democratic Republic of Congo. It is also known by the name Zaire, right? And you can see the neighboring countries Kenya, Uganda, right? Rwanda, Burundi, Zambia, Malawi, Mozambique, right? So the answer would be both. Question number 7. Which of the following ocean lies in all the hemispheres? I have already told you. Indian Ocean, no, it lies in the eastern hemisphere. Pacific, no. Atlantic, yeah, this would be the correct option. Third is the right answer. Arctic, no. See guys, this is the map. As you can see, this is prime meridian, right? So it is the eastern hemisphere and this is western hemisphere. This is 0 degree latitude, longitude, sorry. And see, this is 0 degree equator, right? Means it is northern hemisphere and it is southern hemisphere. So you can see ocean, this is Atlantic Ocean, right? And it is spreading through I have to do it. This is Atlantic Ocean. That means it is in Western Hemisphere also, it is in Northern Hemisphere also, and you can see this part, this is in Southern Hemisphere. And see this is small part, guys, this is small part, this is in Eastern Hemisphere, right? So Atlantic Ocean lies in all the 4 hemispheres. See guys, this is the question which I have made on cover page. Which of the following ocean lies in all the hemispheres? So you know answer. 3 would be the correct option, right? Question number 8. Consider the following statement about Egypt. Sinai Peninsula, part of Egypt, lies in Asia. Yeah, it is very much right. Sinai Peninsula and mainland Egypt are connected through Isthmus of Suez. It is also correct. So the answer would be C. See this map, guys. This is Sinai Peninsula and this is part of Egypt which lies in Asia. That means Egypt is a transcontinental country. And you can see this is Sinai Peninsula which is part of Egypt, and this one is mainland Egypt and it is connecting to this Isthmus of Suez, right? So this answer would be C, both. Consider the following statement about Sinai Peninsula again. It shares boundary with Israel, Lebanon on the east. No, this would be the wrong option, because in the video when we were reading about African continent, I already told you that Sinai Peninsula is only connected with Israel. That means the boundary only shares in Asia is Israel. It is surrounded by Gulf of Aqaba to the southeast and Gulf of Suez to the southwest. Yeah, this is right. So the answer would be B, only 2. See this map, guys. This is Egypt, right? And this is Sinai Peninsula. It is also part of Egypt but lies in Asia. And you can see the Sinai Peninsula is touching boundary with only one country, that is Israel, right? As we have read that in southeast it is connected with Gulf of Aqaba. So right, this is Gulf of Aqaba. Right, in the southeast, and southwest direction, this one, this is Gulf of Suez, right guys? So to the southeast it is connecting to Gulf of Aqaba and to the southwest it is connecting to Gulf of Suez. Let us see the question again. See guys, it share boundary with Israel and Lebanon. No, because it is only sharing boundary with Israel. It is surrounded by Gulf of Aqaba to the southeast, right? This is to the southeast, right? And Gulf of Suez to the southwest. This is Gulf of Suez to the southwest. So the answer would be only 2. B would be the correct option. Now the last question, consider about the statement Lake Kariba. I told you in my previous video it shares boundary with Malawi and Kenya. No, it is very much wrong, because it is only sharing boundary with Zambia and Zimbabwe. It is situated on the river Zambezi, right? So the answer would be only 2. B would be the correct option. See guys, this map, you can see this is Zambia country. This one is Zimbabwe, and you can see this lake, this, right? This is Lake Kariba, which lie on its border and on the Zambezi river, right? So guys, I hope you have understood all these questions, and moreover, if you have seen the videos, then you can answer them correctly. So guys, if you like my video, please like it, share it with your friends, comment on it, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much. Have a nice